Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a problem belongs to area related to circles of class 10. Let's look into the question. Find area of the shaded region if length of each radius, that means the radius of each circle is 7 centimeter, and also each circle touches the other two circles externally. So we are supposed to find this shaded region area, right? So where actually this shaded region, it is in a square. So first we need to find the square area. From that, if we subtract these part 1, 2, 3 and 4, these four parts if we subtract, we will get this shaded region area. So what is these four parts? First we need to see. So here they have given one hint as at this point. Okay, so that means the two radius are joining at the center, right? It is making 90 degree. When it will make a 90 degree, if we are dividing the circle into four quadrant, then it is going to make 90 degree over here. So I can consider each part as a quadrant of a circle, and all these circles are having same radius, so it is very easy for us. So one quadrant if we can find, then just we are going to multiply that with 4. So what is the quadrant of a circle? We know the area of the circle as pi r square. What is a quadrant? Is nothing but by 4. 1 by 4th of pi r square is the quadrant of a circle. But there are 4 circles, so we need to multiply 4 into pi r square by 4, and 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Obviously it's going to be pi r square. So what is the area we have to subtract from this square? It is pi r square. Why? Because there are totally 4 quadrants, and all these quadrants are of same radius. That's why if I multiply all the 4 quadrants, we are getting the pi r square. Now we'll define the formula how to find the shaded region. So I can write like this: area of shaded region is equal to area of a square. If you want, you can mark vertices also, but here only one square, so I'm not doing any vertices notations. And from the area of the square, what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 4 quadrant of a circle. 4 into quadrant of a circle. Why we are considering all the quadrant as same? Because all the circles are having the same radius. That's why I'm making here 4 into 1 quadrant of a circle. Yes. So what is area of a square? Area of a square is side into side. First we'll derive the formula, later we'll get the data. And 4 into, what is quadrant of a circle? Area of the quadrant of a circle, which is pi r square by 4. So here only I told 4 and 4 are going to get cancelled. So at last we will left with the formula s square minus pi r square. So what is the side of the square? That we have to see. So how to find the side of the square? From here to here. What is this actually? It's nothing but the radius of the circle, which is 7. And again from this point to this point, again here also the radius is 7. So what about the side of the square? It is going to be 14. So I can take the side as 14 centimeter. And what about our radius? It is 7 centimeter. So this data only we are going to use in our formula. So we'll substitute the value. What is s square? It is 14 into 14 and pi r square. So I can write pi as 22 by 7 and r square 7 into 7. Yes. So we can cancel 1 7 and 1 7. And what about 14 into 14? It is 196. And we need to multiply 22 into 7, which is 154. So we will get the answer as 42. So this is the area of the shaded region, and the unit is centimeter square because the given data is in centimeter. So the area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square. This is the answer for our question. Hope you understood. Thank you.